Hello my friends, welcome to my channel and I hope you're all fine. In today's video we are going to make a lithium ion battery, and this lithium ion battery will be a real lithium ion battery just like this one. This is a real lithium ion battery, 1500 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. I will tell you each step, each details of making a lithium ion battery. So after watching this video you will be able to make your own lithium ion battery as big as you want at home. So before we get started to make our battery, let's learn the components we are going to need and the structure of lithium ion battery, and after that we will start to make our battery. And after we finish our battery we are going to test it and show you the capability of our homemade lithium ion battery.
In order to make a lithium-ion battery, you need these materials. Two current collectors. The first one is made of aluminum. The second one is made of copper. The aluminum current collector is coated with lithium manganese oxide, and the copper current collector is coated with graphite. These two coated current collectors are put into an organic electrolyte and separated by a separator which is made of polymer material. In lithium-ion batteries generally polyolefin is used as the polymer separator. Polyvinylidene difluoride is used as the binder for active materials. As the electrolyte, 1 molar lithium hexafluorophosphate is dissolved in mixture of organic solvents. During the charging of the lithium-ion battery, positively charged lithium ions move to graphite, and during this charging the ions move back.
Okay, my friends, as we learned what kind of materials we are going to need to make our battery, now we can start to make our battery. As you see, I have two pieces of current collector. The first one is copper foil and the second one is aluminum foil. Each of them 15 centimeters long and 3 centimeters in length. And as you see, I have two connection points of the current collector. After we finish our battery, these points will be our terminal for our battery. Now, I will start to make my battery. I'm going to coat my copper foil with graphite active material, and I'm going to coat my aluminum foil with lithium manganese oxide active material. So let's start with the copper foil. I have my active material, graphite active material here. Now listen, please listen carefully how you can prepare this active material. You need ultrafine graphite powder and some sodium silicate. I didn't use polyvinyl difluoride. Normally in lithium ion batteries you need to use polyvinyl difluoride as the binder, but as it is very difficult to dissolve in water, I just used sodium silicate. Sodium silicate also work as well, just like polyvinyl difluoride. So you can also use sodium silicate. You need to put 20 grams of ultrafine graphite powder and 2 grams or 2 or 3 grams of sodium silicate and 20 or 25 milliliters of deionized water, and mix it very well to make this slurry active material. Now I will paint my copper foil with this graphite active material. Before I apply the active material, I need to mix it very well. Okay, now I'm going to just paint my copper foil. Try to paint it as much as evenly, my friends. It's very important. Okay, my friends, after it's completely dried, I will paint the other side of the copper foil. So we need to coat both sides of our current collector with the active material. Now I am going to paint my aluminum foil with lithium manganese oxide. At this time, as you see, I've just prepared my lithium manganese oxide active material. Again, to prepare this active material, you can use 20 grams of lithium manganese oxide and 2 or 3 grams of sodium silicate, and put 20 or 25 milliliters of deionized water and mix it very well until you have get this active material, slow reactive material. And now I will again apply this active material on the aluminum foil as much as evenly, just like the other one, my friends. Before apply, I need to just stir it very, very well. See, just like an ink. Okay, my friends, I've just painted both current collectors. Now I will let them to dry. After completely dry, I will paint the other sides of the current collector, the aluminum foil and the copper foil. After that, we'll continue to make our battery, my friends. Okay, my friends, our current collectors are completely dry. Now it's time to use a separator and separate the current collectors and roll them up and continue to make our battery. As the separator, I am going to use baking paper. Baking paper is a really good material for using as a separator, so I am going to use this baking paper as a separator, my friends. By the way, don't forget that our separator should be a little bit longer and larger than our current collectors in order to prevent the short circuit, my friends. I put my first separator and I'm going to put the copper turn collector on the first one. Put it very well, and put the second separator, and put the aluminum current collector. I will put it a little bit further than the copper one. Now I will roll them up. Now I am going to use a tape and stick them together. I am using a piece of tape to stick them together tightly. Okay, just like this. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, my friends, our main part of our lithium-ion battery is ready. As you see, this is the copper terminal, the negative one, and this is the aluminum terminal, the positive terminal of our battery. Now it's time to put the main part of our battery in a case and seal it very well and add electrolyte to complete our battery, my friends. As the case for my battery, I'm going to use this plastic tube. This is 5.5 centimeter plastic tube. First of all, I will seal my plastic tube and put the main part of our battery inside it. I'm going to use my hot glue and this piece of plastic to cover the bottom of the plastic tube. We have to seal it very, very well, my friends. Be careful about that point. Pull down very tightly. Okay, I just covered it and I'm going to use a little bit more hot glue to seal it very, very well. It should be liquid proof, so we need to seal it very, very well. Okay, I think that's enough. Wait until the hot glue is dry. Okay, my friends, the hot glue is dried. Now I will put my main battery part inside the case. Just put it inside it. As you see, just fit it very well. Now I am going to seal the top of the case as well. For this, I am going to use this piece of plastic, and again my hot glue. And again sealed it very well. Wait again until it dry. Okay, my friends, our battery almost ready to use. Now it's time to add electrolyte. I will show you how we will add the electrolyte inside this battery. As the electrolyte, I am going to use lithium hexafluorophosphate dissolved in organic solvent. In this bottle, I have ethylene carbonate, dimethyl carbonate, and propylene carbonate with the same ratio. And I've just put some lithium hexafluorophosphate inside and shake it very well. After it dissolves inside the organic solvent very well, I'm going to add the electrolyte into the battery with the help of this injection, because this is an organic solvent. As this is an organic solvent, it will evaporate very fast, so you have to be very careful and fast while adding the electrolyte into the battery. So I will just open it. It smells very bad. I will just take a little bit. This will be enough to adding my battery and close it immediately. As this is a soft plastic, I will just put my injection inside here and add the electrolyte very slowly. Right after I adding the electrolyte, I need to again seal it. Okay, and I need to seal it immediately because it's fast evaporate, so it should be sealed very well. Now I am going to wait for about 10 or 15 minutes and for the electrolyte should be soaked by the battery completely. Right after it's soaked by the battery completely, we are going to test our battery and see the capacity and the capability of our battery. Now our lithium ion battery is ready. Right after momentarily we are going to test our battery, my friends. Okay, my friends, after about 20 minutes, our battery is ready to test. The electrolyte is completely dissolved inside it. Now we are going to test our battery and see the power of our battery, the voltage and the current of our battery. I have my multimeter here. First of all, let's measure the initial voltage inside it. When it's empty, this is the negative terminal and this is the positive. As you see, it shows 0.71 volts inside our battery. It means that our lithium ion battery is now completely empty. We are going to charge it, and after that we will test it, my friends. I have my charger here. For the first time, I need to charge my battery with a high volt and high current. After a short time, I will continue charge my battery with lithium ion mode of my charger, my friends. First of all, I will charge with nickel cadmium, and the current is sorry, to 1 amp. This is the positive, and this is the negative. I will charge about 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, I think that's enough. Now we will charge our battery, continue to charge our battery with lithium ion mode. Okay, I I've just set my charger to lithium ion charge mode, and with 0 0.5 amp and one cell, I will charge it until it's fully charged, my friend. Again, the positive terminal, and again the negative terminal. It doesn't stop. Okay, I will charge it. As you see, my friends, my charger charged a lithium-ion battery with 4.1 volt. It's pretty good charging voltage for lithium-ion batteries. Okay, my friends, we completely charged our battery with 0 0.5 amp. It took about 1 hour. So approximately the capacity of this battery is about 750 milliamp hour. Now we are going to measure the voltage inside it, measure the current inside it, and make some power test on our battery. First of all, let's measure the voltage and current inside it. I again got my multimeter here, just set to volt mode, and I'm going to measure the voltage. The positive terminal and the negative terminal. As you see, we have 3.8685 volt inside our battery. It's pretty good for a lithium ion battery. It's pretty good. It means that this is fully charged now. Let's measure the current inside it. The current mode, and let's see the current. Okay, the current is about, okay, sorry, the positive and the negative. As you see, the current is about 4.5 amp. It's pretty strong battery. It means that it's pretty strong battery. Now we are going to make some power test on our battery, my friends. First of all, I have my small blender here. Now I will try to run my small blender with my battery. Okay. Oh shit. As you see, it can run the blender very, very fast. Oh. Now I have another DC motor here. I will run this DC motor with my battery, my friends. Again, as you see, it can run the DC motor very, very fast, but it's pretty strong battery. Okay, I have a 12-volt bulb, and it is 21 watt bulb, and I will try to light this bulb with my battery. Okay, as you see, you can light the bulb very brightly. It's very nice, very strong battery, lithium ion battery, homemade lithium ion battery, my friends. You see, now I have this device. This DC motor is a very strong DC motor. Normally, I took this DC motor from RC helicopter, so it can consume a lot of energy in a very short time. So I will try to run this DC motor with my battery, my friends. Can you see how fast it can run it? It's pretty strong battery. Now, as the last, I'm going to make a short circuit test. So I have a piece of copper wire here. I will try to short circuit this copper wire. I'm trying to be carefully not burn my hand. Oh, see, again. Can you see the battery immediately burn and melted the copper wire? Just one more time. Oh, that's pretty cool. Just make another one, another piece of copper wire. Look closer. Wow, it's melted immediately. And again, light our bulb. You can see our battery is pretty cool, pretty powerful battery, my friend. Okay, my friends, we get the end of our video. Now you are ready to make your own lithium ion battery at home, just like this. This is very powerful lithium ion battery, just homemade lithium ion battery. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Take care of yourself. See you in the next videos, my friend.